everyone, it's Colleen here. I'm on a roll this week. This is going to be a super quick video showing you what to do with leftovers. Those two little pieces you saw on the left were two little cane ends from doing the leaf. I made a small flower, probably 3/4 of an inch high cane. And then I took the leaves that I made in the previous video and I went ahead and made some leaves as well as a stem. And then using the blackout, I took some of my scrap clay and I made some black because why not? Saves on money, and those are just scraps I couldn't use. Anyway, here what I'm doing before I add the flower onto the petals is I want to make those same kind of indentation marks to show kind of the ruffles on the edges of the petals. And by doing that, it gives it a little bit more depth and detail. Then I just kind of put a triangular shape between the flower and the leaves so that you could see the difference. And then here I'm just putting the black around it so that you can get the definition of the petals before I go ahead and join it onto the flower head. Nothing exciting, nothing special, just super easy, cutting little black pieces. I just decided instead of not having the leftovers or not doing anything with them, they were really small pieces, and yet I was able to make this little flower, which I thought was pretty cute all in all. So once I got the black on, then I started filling the whole thing in just like the others, and that's the finished product of it. Then once I reduced it down like any other reduction, here is what the finished product looked like. I'm pretty excited with it. I think it's pretty cute. Thanks for watching, guys. I thought I'd introduce you guys to my sidekick, Maya. If you hear any weird snoring noises, that would be her. Enjoy, guys. I hope you have a great day.